Yeah, I got the Mavic Air 2. Wow. Oh my god. This is quality wise. Oh my god. I did not expect that. I didn't expect any of it. It's amazing. Oh, I need to show you this. Okay. So this is what the Mavic Air 2 looks like. Look at how small this is. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. Look at, I can put that in my pocket pretty much. I had no idea it was capable of the things it's capable of, and when I flew it for the first time, I was blown away. The second time, I was even more blown away. Third time, it just kept getting better every single time. This is the remote. It's pretty fat, but this is the remote. This is what the remote looks like. But I love this quality of my videos. Alright, I'm gonna review some shots I got from it, and I'm gonna give you my honest thoughts. I'm pretty much gonna give you my full in-depth study of the Mavic Air 2 and what it's capable of. It can do 4K at 60 frames per second. It can also do 1080 at 240 frames per second. That's insane. Whoa! Wow. Just look at these shots. Like, Jesus. Something just less quality, but when I made my decision, when I did my research and found all these videos of these YouTubers talking about the Air 2 and what it's capable of, I was sold. And when I watched the trailer for the you know, I was absolutely blown away by what it could do. I'm gonna jump on the app. I don't know how to screen record on this thing. That's what it looks like. So that's what it looks like when it's in the case. It tells you if there is planes or helicopters nearby. Look, that's crazy. And for that price point, it's such a seller. It's totally worth it. I don't know. It's like, what you do? What you do? Okay, alright, okay. I'm gonna go watch some of the shots that I've taken. The video's called Cinematic Nomadics. It was the last video before this one. Oh, I love this shot. Oh my god. Oh my god. With the, yeah. Wow. Oh, through the trees with the birds and everything. Through the abandoned building. Oh, that was sick. The sunsets and sunrises I've been getting. Wow. Ah. 120 meters. That's as far as you can go. And that's as far as it'll let you go. 120 meters up is perfect height. It's like, it's thick. It's perfect. I want to get my RPL. I'm thinking about getting my RPL next year. That means I'll be able to fly more places like national parks. I'll be free of any legal things. It's good to have. This is amazing. Literally just from these 40 seconds. Okay, that last shot at the end, that was called a droney. That was automatic. That was just a quick shot. You press on the app, you press quick shot, and you click droney, and you select where you want it to zoom out from, and it'll run itself. You don't need to even touch the remote at all. You just let it go. That's mad. Happy about it. Alright, well, let's watch the maiden voyage. So that was the video before that one of the Air 2. This was the first time I ever flew it. This was the morning after I bought it. First time I ever flew it. Let's get it. 4K. Right off the bat. Sunrise. Ah. Oh my god. Wow. You can see the mountains in the background. The quality, if you zoomed in, it's like you can see like even the smallest details like 100 meters away or something. Jeez. What? What is this? Oh my god. Mount Yango. This circle shot of me, this one here, where it was going around me, it was just going in circles. It was so cool. I just let it go. Wait for it. That one. That shot where it was coming, it was flying out and around at the same time, but I did this look down shot on myself in this video, and it spins around. I'll tell you when it comes up, you'll see it, but whoa. This one, that one. It's coming down and it went around like that, around. That's so cool. I love that. Yeah, wow. I don't know, like a spinning reverse rocket kind of thing. It's the speed in sports mode. God damn. Oh, the clouds are so good. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to go like travel places and see these things and do drone shots just like this. Oh, I'm in love. Wow. Oh my god. I can't say anything bad about this drone. There's one thing that I would say that's bad about it, and it's the fact that the DJI official case for it is like 70 bucks. There's nothing I can say bad about it. I'm trying so hard. There's so many positives, and you've had enough from me. You obviously want to hear or see the cinematics and all the other stuff I have to show you. So just let the video play. What you do? Right. Alright. Okay. Fire out. Okay. It's the trailer for the Air 2, I reckon. Okay.
This is Mavic Air 2.
Ooh.
You may have some questions. Like,
yes.
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot
Big
more
boy.
pixels.
Big boy sensor.
80 megapixels to be exact.
48
Which
meg.
means you can do this,
Ah.
and then shoot a hyperlapse.
8. I haven't done it yet. You can do 8K hyperlapse. I'm sure that's like gotta be 10 minutes per battery, but 8K, like that's just over the top.
With smart photos,
Yes.
every shot is a masterpiece.
Oh, the HDR mode, the high dynamic range mode, is phenomenal. It looks, obviously, if you wanna shoot log, you can. You can choose to shoot log on a drone. Huh? Alright, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know, what are you into? What do you guys want to see in the future? It'd be nice to get some sort of comment from someone saying like what they want to see, but like at the same time it's my channel, it's my videos, I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna make, obviously. Just get ready, that's all I'm saying. Get ready for the most amazing cinematics you've ever seen on this channel, ever. Yeah, I can't wait to get into it, but yeah, catch you later.